Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today we're making mulberry jam. Now, look at this, so delicious. I got these fruits off of somebody's property. I was doing some business on the person's property and I saw a lot of mulberries and I was like, no, this can't go to waste. Enough I to drop off of the tree and a waste. And I'm like, oh, wow, this is inspiration. I haven't made a video in months, and just seeing these mulberries was like, you know what? I need to make a mulberry jam video. And I got the courage. Well, I was re-inspired, if there's such a word, to make a cooking video because my life has been really busy. Anyway, I'm going to do a video telling you what I've been up to, but today we're making mulberry jam. When making jams, you know the ratio is 1-to-1. What does that mean? It's like the same amount of sugar you add to the jam should be the same amount of fruits that you add. But me bad. I just always guesstimate. So I added the same amount of water as to the same amount of sugar. So I added around the same amount of sugar to the same amount of water. I just repeat myself. Anyways, I don't want my jam to be too sweet, so I didn't add a lot of sugar. And I just boil it down until it reaches a jammy consistency. I boil mine down too much till it was a little bit too jammy, and I wasn't in the mood to re-boil this jam by adding in some more water and then heat it up to the right consistency that I wanted. It was jammy, and that's why I named jam, so I let it stay. I read somewhere that you cover the jam when it's really hot, so that is why you see me flashing my fingers, because it creates like this seal. And there you go, mulberry jam. Like, making jam isn't hard. Like, you don't have to add pectin once you add like lemon juice, which I did, and the fruit has natural pectin in it. So I think it's really easy to make jam as long as you boil it down until it's really jammy. Then you know that most of the sugar is in the jam. You know, not most of the sugar is in the jam, but it has a higher ratio of sugar than water, which enables the jam to stay long or longer. So this jam really tastes good. It tasted almost like raspberry. My kids loved it and I loved it. Yes, I eat jam with cheese because I just love the combination of savory and sweet. Stay tuned for more videos. Please be patient with me. I miss you guys. I love you guys. And one love.